Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can promote multiply different affiliate products at the same time. And this method is absolutely free, so it will cost you no money. And it is beginner friendly. And also I'm going to show you one trick that not that many people actually talking about here on YouTube. So make sure to watch the entire video very carefully. So first thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use ClickBank, you can use Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But this is what I do. I actually go on Google, and because we are talking about affiliate marketing, here in search bar I simply type best affiliate marketing tools and then click enter to find those tools. And here you can see there are many websites who actually made a list of best affiliate marketing tools. So what you need to do, you need to open each of these tools, each of these websites here. So let me just open this one here, for example, and you need to check all of these websites. Now, because I'm doing affiliate marketing for a long time, I already know what are the best affiliate marketing tools in my opinion. But if you are just starting, if you are a beginner, then you need to open all of these websites here that you can see, and you need to see which of these tools are actually repeating on all of those websites. That means that those are probably best affiliate marketing tools. So what you need to do, you actually need to visit websites of those tools, official websites, and you need to actually see, does that website have affiliate program? And if they don't have affiliate program, no problem, simply go back, find another similar tool that have affiliate program, register for their affiliate program, and then you can start promoting that product. And like I said, you need to find few of those products. And after you find all of those products and you register for their affiliate program, what you need to do, you need to write exactly the same article like this. Best affiliate marketing tools, 5 best affiliate marketing tools, 10, 15 or whatever affiliate marketing tools you want. And you need to write, and like I said, you need to write an article. Now, I already wrote an article, and this is my article. As you can see, this is a short article, nothing special. It is for the purpose of this video. So now when you have your article, now you need to publish that article on your blog or on your website. Now watch my previous video, because in that video I actually showed you how you can steal traffic from your competitors and how you can optimize your blog or website and rank on first page on Google and get free targeted traffic. I will leave you a link in description so you can watch that video as well. And also, I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for hosting. So best free alternative is Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google. And like I said, you need to publish your article on your blog. And I already did that, and this is my article. Here you can see 6 tools every marketer needs. And here I actually wrote my article. Here you can see I added 6 tools that I think are the best. And each of these are actually my affiliate links. As you can see here, these are all links. I can click on all of them and it will take me to sales page of all of these products here. And I actually added a bit more value, just this much. Here you can see I also added top affiliate networks. And you need to do exactly the same thing. Make a list of 5, 10, 15 affiliate marketing tools or whatever you want, and you need to add your affiliate links here. So now when you have your article, now you need to start driving free traffic to your blog post. But actually I'm going to show you one trick. So what you can do is you can simply go on Google and you can click here, and then you can click here on translate. And what you can do is you can actually type here, so let me just choose here English, and I can type best affiliate marketing tools. And I can actually choose here, for example, let's just say French, for example. And Google translated this on French. So I can simply copy this and I can go on Google and paste that here and press enter. And here I can get actually list of French websites with best affiliate marketing tools, as you can see here. So what I can do, I can simply, let's just say, for example, let's just say I wish to use this website here. I'm guessing that this is 10 best affiliate marketing tools in French. I don't speak French. So when I open this website, this is actually on HubSpot. I can click here, translate this page on English, and Google Chrome will automatically translate this entire page on English, as you can see here. It translated this on English. Like I said, I don't speak French, so I don't know. Now I can see what it actually says. So what I can do, I can simply open Google Documents. So let me just click here and let me find the Google Documents. Okay, Google Docs. and I can simply copy this. Control C, and I will click here to open a blank page. I will paste that here, and then what I can do, I can simply go here and I can copy literally everything here. Okay, so I will just, okay, let's just say this much. Control C, go back on Google Docs and paste everything here, and as you can see, it literally pasted everything, copied everything, including photos. Now it takes some time for photos to appear, but that is okay. And because this is on English, that means that this is now actually a unique article. This is not a copyrighted article. So what you need to do, you actually need to remove all of these backlinks, all of these links, because you don't need that. Okay, you don't need this either. You need to delete all of these stuff. Okay, you need to delete this as well, and so on and so on. And like I said, you need to delete all of this stuff. As you can see, photos now appeared. And also, please be a good human being and give the credit to the person who actually created this article. So what you can do is you can simply go back here and then highlight this, Control C, and you can scroll down on the bottom. So let me just scroll down on the bottom. Okay, and I can say source. Okay, and I can give a link here, and I can also highlight this, click here on this link, and this is now linked. So I gave a credit to the person who actually wrote this article. Like I said, please be a good human being. It will cost you nothing. It is just 1 second of work. So be a good human being. And like I said, you need to remove all of these links in the article itself. So now when you have this article here on Google Documents, now you need to use it to drive traffic to your blog post, okay? To your blog post that you published on Blogger in this case. And also I added call to action, as you can see here. Click here to see full list. Now you will say something better, I just did this for the purpose of this video. And also I actually didn't add a link, I will do that in a minute. And like I said, I added this call to action, and I added this call to action on a few places in this article. So now what I need to do, I need to use this article to get free traffic. Now for that I can use Quora. Quora is a question and answer website. I love Quora because I'm using Quora to get lots and lots of targeted free traffic, and you can do exactly the same thing. And if you know how to use Quora, you can get lots of free traffic and you can make lots of money. So what you need to do, in this case, here in search bar, I can simply type, for example, affiliate marketing, and then click search. And here you can see there is lots of affiliate marketing related questions. So for example, you can see here, how do I earn in affiliate marketing? So I can open this question here, and you will see that many people are actually answering on this question because they all wish to help this person. Here you can see 1,300 people is already following this question, which means this is a popular question. So what you can do is you can simply click here on answer, okay? And now you need to answer on this question. So what I can do, I can simply go back on Google Documents. So let me just scroll back on the top, and I can simply copy this article here. So let me just highlight everything. So let me just wait a minute, okay? Control C, and I can go back on Quora and I can paste that article here. So let me just click here on this A, and here you can see it copied literally everything. It pasted literally everything, including photos and images. And also when I scroll down on the bottom, you see it added a link to the source. But what I need to do, I need to drive traffic to my Blogger post. So I'm going back on my Blogger post. I will copy the link to my Blogger post that contains my affiliate links. Go back on Quora, and let me just find my call to action. So let me just scroll through this article to find my call to action. Okay, this is my call to action. Highlight this and then click here on this little chain. And I can paste my link here. Click here, add, and that's it. I added link to my Blogger post. And I can do exactly the same on this call to action. And again, just click here on this little chain, paste, and then click here, add. Now I don't want this to be bold. For some reason this is bold. Now to unbold this, I can simply highlight that and then click here on this B. And it's not bold anymore. And you can edit this article a bit just to make it look better. And like I said, if you answer like this, if you really provide a good value, a good information, detailed information like this, then people will give you upvotes. And the more upvotes you get, your answer will be top answer and you will get the most traffic. And all you have to do after you finish everything, just click here on post and you will post that answer on this question. And then just go back here, find another question, related question, and then just go back on Google and find another website in French, in Spanish, Portuguese, German, or whatever language, and you can use exactly the same trick and answer on all of these questions by providing a good, valuable answer on these questions. And like I said, people will start giving you upvotes and you will start getting free traffic, targeted traffic from Quora. And the more questions you answer, the more traffic you will get. And like I said, some of those people will just read this article and some of those people will click on these affiliate links and they will buy these products and you will earn affiliate commission. So this is a bonus tip for you. What you need to do, you actually need to drive as much traffic as you can. You can use Quora, but you should also use related forums. Use Pinterest, use related Facebook groups, and so on and so on. And like I said, you need to drive as much traffic as you can to that blog post that you published on Blogger. In that case, trust me, you will start getting clicks on your affiliate links and you will start making sales. You will start making money with affiliate marketing, even if you are a beginner. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing, by promoting multiple different affiliate products at the same time. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.